Cupcakes are fit for every kind of celebration. They are so easy to make yourself and they taste delicious. The recipes are really quick too if you use Stork. Today I'm making Easter nest honey nut cupcakes. The basic batter is easy to make. You only need Stork, sugar, eggs, flour, vanilla, milk, and chopped mixed nuts. Place the Stork in a mixing bowl. You don't even have to wait for it to soften. Add the sugar and cream together until light and fluffy. Add the vanilla and stir. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Fold in the flour and add a little milk. Beat until evenly combined. Fold through the nuts and there you go. The basic batter is already done. Line a muffin tin with 12 cupcake cases. Divide the mixture between the 12 cases. Bake the cupcakes in a preheated fan oven until golden brown and springy to the touch. While the cupcakes cool down, you can make the nests. For this, you need dark chocolate, honey nut cornflakes, unsalted roasted peanuts, mixed chopped nuts, and chocolate-coated peanuts. Melt the chocolate over a pan of simmering water. Add the cereal and the peanuts and stir well until fully coated. Spoon the mixture on top of the cupcakes to form nests. Fill the center with chocolate-coated peanuts and sprinkle with the chopped mixed nuts. There you go, a perfect combination. Easter nest honey nut cupcakes. Enjoy!